Hey everybody, Jeff Casmer here in my hometown of Bolingbrook, Illinois, Chicago southwest suburbs. And I am here to do a video on the last day of 2018 and very, very excited to kind of roll out a quick promotion that expires at the end of today on a membership with IMarketsLive. However, let me get some of the particulars out of the way first. If you want to subscribe to my channel, there's a link there. Facebook like, all that good stuff. Comment on it if you find the content useful. If you want to get on board our team, there's a link there. If you want to get on my newsletter, there's a link there. Just check in the bio area. And I'm really, really excited today because we have, as you know, we have the #1 team in the company for IMarketsLive, and we have the #1 recruiter in IMarketsLive. And we put together a bonus package for any new customer who wants to try IMarketsLive, by the way, 7-day money-back guarantee, who wants to get on board and learn how to trade Forex with no experience necessary. None, okay? You're looking at somebody who knows nothing about the Forex industry, okay? It's Forex. The Forex industry is something that was absolutely calculus to me until I started to learn a little bit about it, okay? And you're able to start with IML. What's unique about it is you can start with a simple app on your phone where you get trades and that you copy and paste, and that's what got me on board to this company. And we're probably approaching 15 or 16 months now with IMarketsLive. I've been doing this for, it's now 19 years, almost 19 years. So I've seen many good opportunities, many bad opportunities. This opportunity is fantastic if you are looking to change your life, okay? So anyway, our leader put together a bonus package for any member that wants to get on board before the end of December 31st, before this day expires. And I want to kind of go to it here a little bit, okay? And by the way, if you want to get on board our team, you can reach me through Facebook, but we'll go over that in a second. So he kind of put out a link, and it's not an affiliate link or anything. You actually have to get a link from me to actually join the company and get on board our team. But he actually put together a set of bonuses that if you are ready to get on board and try Forex trading, kind of an incentive to get on board before the end of the year. Because when the markets explode right after January, there's going to be a lot of money to be made. So anyway, he put together this video, and I kind of want to just move forward to
Here's another one.
Real quick here. And there's a lot of success stories. And here's some of the bonuses that you would get inside our specific team if you come on board. And I'm not going to go through each one as to what it is, what it means, and all that stuff, okay? Obviously, just some absolutely outstanding stuff that we are offering, and you can watch the video to get more of an idea about it. And then one of the CEOs, actually, of IMarketsLive also talks about one of the fantastic strategies that people are absolutely crushing it in the Forex market, called the bounce back strategy. There's a bounce back strategy 1.0, there's a 2.0, and then at the bottom, obviously, get back to the person that sent you this page and get your link. So that's why you're watching this now. You want to get on board our team, okay? You have to be willing to change your life, okay? So if you are one of those that scrolls through, and I see it every day, I see people that I've talked to for over a year still not choose an opportunity to pursue a passion, something that they're interested in. And I actually follow up with some of the people that I've talked to, even if they don't want to join or they're not interested in my opportunity, about their mindset. Okay, you have to be willing to change your life, okay? So we're putting out an incentive to say, hey, let's take a look at this company, okay? This company is changing lives, okay? I understand that, for example, if I go back here and, let's see, right here.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, like you see something like that.
All right, this is a bit trade.
Give me a second here. I'm just trying to pull up something on the video that could look like I'm clueless.
Here and
like here, okay? So, you know, okay, well, I don't understand any of this. What does this mean? You know, this is called a candlestick. This is a buy. The red's a sell. All that stuff, okay? I encourage you just to watch a simple video, okay? I knew nothing about it, and it's really set up very easy for you to understand and learn. Now, I started, and a lot of people start with a simple app on their phone called the swipetrades app, okay? Well, people are killing with this bounce back strategy. Just one of the strategies inside of an IML membership. There are many, many great tools inside of it, okay? And I'm encouraging you that once you hit this link and you watch this video, if you have interest, okay, you want to reach out to me on Facebook, okay? You want to reach out to me, find me here, Jeff Kasmer, and I can get you inside our team, okay? Get inside our team, which is for prospective customers, okay? So we have a group that's for prospective customers. But now, this bonus thing, there's kind of a deadline here on it, okay? But at any time, even if you don't decide to get on board today, and you are thinking about getting on board our team and changing your life by learning how to trade Forex, I can get you inside of our specific group that's for prospective customers. You will see some of the leaders in there, including myself, okay? And you will see how we help people make money, okay? Then, if you decide to become a customer, you reach out to me, you get a link, then you get inside of our team group, okay? And let me tell you something, how people are absolutely crushing it in our group, okay? So you can't join unless you're a customer, okay? And this is our group. We actually started a new group, and you can see all these people just joining, okay? Join. It just goes on and on, okay? So this is why we have set up this page for these bonuses to try to help as many people as we can to get on board. But if you see this video January 1st, January 2nd, and the link is down, please reach out to me. Would love to help you, would love to mentor you, would love to coach you and help change your lives. That's what we're doing in 2019. Okay, we are changing people's lives, and the way to do that is to help you make more money. Okay, so again, I want you to, I'm going to have this link. Let me minimize this real quick. I'm going to have this link, okay, which is just gobbledygook. I'm going to have it in the bio of this video. Okay, you're going to be able to watch it in the bio. Okay, it's going to be the one link you'll see. I'll make sure that I kind of say, watch this now. Okay, and then if you're interested, if you see this video in time by midnight, okay, or a little bit before midnight, I'll be up the entire time. Okay, get with me. Okay, and I can give you a special link to sign up and to become a customer and get the $1,250 in bonuses. Now, I do have that link to sign up under here. So if you can't reach me, I step away from the computer, etc. Get that link, get back to me. Trust me, I will reach you. I will get a notification, and I will get you on board and get you all those bonuses, okay? That's pretty much it, okay? It's pretty simple. You want to change your life, you need to get on our team. We have the #1 team in the company. I bet you've seen other videos, and you might have seen other videos that IMarketsLive said, oh, we got a great team, we're the best, blah, blah, blah. Absolutely. There's some really, really good teams out there. But we are actually the #1 team, and the #1 recruiter in the company is running our team. Do you know why? Do you know why he's the #1 recruiter? He's the #1 recruiter not just because he knows how to sell, but because the way our group is set up and the admins that are set up, he keeps people on board because they're making money trading Forex, which is really the real purpose of it, okay? If you had no team and no group, and you wanted to join IMarketsLive, you would still need to be sponsored in. But you will still do well if you put in a little effort and a little work and a little training, right? You can do it all by yourself. But why, when you have a plethora of people around you inside of our team group that can answer any questions? For example, I sponsor you in, you get on board, we're talking question after question, I answer every single question. As soon as I wake up, I answer questions. Lunchtime, I answer questions. In the evening, I answer questions. When I'm laying in bed and I hear ding, I'll answer the question. Any question you might have on the company or product, I will answer, okay? But let's just say I'm asleep. 4 in the morning, you're in another part of the world, you got a question. You pop inside that group, you ask the question. People answer it. Pretty simple. So we are here to support you, okay? Trust me, if you know nothing about Forex, okay, you can get started and make money in the first week and a half, okay? We always recommend you to demo trade first, right? It's basically fake money. So you understand how to put the numbers in, how to make a trade, all that. That's why we have the swipetrades app. It's for people who know nothing about Forex and want to learn while they're earning. Learn while you earn, right? There's lots of companies that, yeah, you can just buy something and then you don't actually learn anything, okay? We're going to absolutely help you learn so that that will improve your profitability as you move along in the company and utilizing the tools that IMarketsLive has, okay? So that's pretty much it. Bottom line is, look down here in the bio, look for the link, watch the video. You want to get with me? You can comment in here, but you reach me through Facebook, okay? You've got my name, bounce here, bounce here. Let me go back to here, here. I'm so wrong page, that was me. And go to me, okay? Find me, and we'll get you rocking and rolling. And I'm going to leave you with this, okay? Right before we enter 2019. Make it a fantastic year. Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regrets. So love the people who treat you right and forget about the ones you don't. And believe that everything happens for a reason. If you get a chance, take it. If it changes your life, let it. Nobody said that it would be easy. They just promised it would be worth it. I guarantee you, take the chance, it'll be worth it. Happy New Year.